You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase that too many people mispronounce in English. Let's break it down. Social, a stress on the first syllable, so it's not social. The spelling makes it very confusing. Social. Studies. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. The pronunciation is similar. Social studies. Let's listen carefully how to pronounce social studies. Social studies. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.